Step into the heart of culinary creativity with our advanced interior light system tailored for the pantry and kitchen. Designed to seamlessly integrate with your daily culinary endeavors, this lighting solution combines functionality with style, transforming your cooking space into a well-lit haven of efficiency and aesthetics. In the pantry, motion-activated lights bring visibility to every shelf and corner, ensuring you can effortlessly locate ingredients. The system adapts to your movements, providing light precisely where and when you need it. No more fumbling in the dark. The pantry becomes an organized and well-lit space, ready to inspire your culinary adventures. Transitioning to the kitchen, the lighting system takes center stage, illuminating countertops and workspaces with precision. Adjustable brightness allows you to tailor the lighting to various tasks, whether it's chopping vegetables, reading recipes, or setting the mood for a cozy dinner. The color temperature mimics natural daylight, ensuring accurate color representation of your ingredients and creating a vibrant, inviting atmosphere. Smart integration adds an extra layer of convenience. Voice commands or a mobile app allow you to control the lights effortlessly, making it easy to adapt the ambiance to different occasions. From the hustle of meal preparation to the relaxed setting of a family dinner, the lighting system responds to your needs in real time. Customizable color options offer a culinary canvas, allowing you to set the mood for each culinary experience. Whether it's the energizing brightness of morning cooking or